The Strok and the Scrab. There once was an old stork who could not catch fish anymore. As he grew hungrier, he devised a plan. He told the fish in the tank that the farmers would soon empty out the tank and grow crops there. He offered to take the distressed fish to a bigger tank further away. The fish happily agreed, but the stork would take them to a rock and kill them. There was also a crab in the tank who wished to be saved. The stork, thinking he could try some new food, agreed to take him. However, the crab quickly noticed the fish bones on the rock. He immediately dug his claws into the stork's neck and killed him. He then went back to the old tank and informed the other fish.